This video will show you how to find magazines on Libby. To get started, click Explore. Then scroll down to Subjects. Click Preferences and change the format to Magazines. You may want to choose a language. Spanish is good if you want to practice your Spanish or have Spanish immersion. Click Apply Preferences. You can sort the magazines by the number of magazines per subject or alphabetically. Now choose the subject you would like to find a magazine in. Some magazines have multiple issues. Other magazines are only one issue. If you want to see what issues are available, click on the title. Scroll down. These are the issues available. If you would like to search for a specific magazine, click on the magnifying glass at the top of the page. Type in the magazine title you'd like to find. Click on the right title. If you click this button, it will borrow the most recent edition. If you want to see the other issues, click on the title. Scroll down and borrow the issue you would like. Thank you for watching our video. Watch our other videos to learn more and contact the library with other questions you may have. Have a great day.